Hello and welcome to the Bold Outdoors YouTube channel. Today we find ourselves at Pratt Creek and we finally made it to the Wyoming border. Probably the first time since November. It's been a long time. Still some deep snow in places, but we made it today and had to chop down a few trees along the way. But yeah, all winter long it's been a struggle to get to the border, as there has been spots on this trail with so much snow that I have never seen before. On this particular trail, so this is 182, on this particular trail, you're usually guaranteed to make it to at least the kind of like the T or the intersection of 315B. And not this year. There's the turnoff to go to the beaver dam. So as I said, I had to clear quite a few trees. I left that tree and then these two right here. I was like, just drive over them. So as I said, there's 315B. You can almost always get from the trailer to here most seasons, but this year was a struggle. gotta go up and over this drift here. Yeah. I have over 500 miles on these Maxxis Rampages. However, almost all of it has been in the snow except for choke cherry. So as for an update, I'm not really sure if I can give a real fair assessment except in the snow. Tires just eat, man. They just go. There's that major drift we kept going up and over. She gone. Ugh. So my initial impressions when I first got the tires is that the turn-in was significantly improved compared to the X-Comps. The X-Comps just wanted to push. Massive understeer. These tires, I wouldn't say they had understeer or oversteer, but you're able to like come into a corner, steer into it, and they would just hook and you would go. The X-Comps were horrendous. Definitely one of the worst set of tires I've ever had, ever. When we get to the T, I'll show you something that I did here. Alright, I wanted to show something here, hopefully it comes up on camera, is that I completely made my own sway bar. So this was an extra sway bar off the 2017 1000. I shortened it and made new ends. It's about 1.5, 1 3/4 inch shorter sway bar on the front. This thing is hooking up like on rails, man. Woo! And then I haven't done it yet, but I went ahead and drilled the rear sway bar side-by-side block style. I haven't connected that up yet. I need longer bolts, but so that'll stiffen up the rear. Ultimately, I'd like to have an actual stiffer sway bar in the rear and not ghetto side-by-side block style, but we'll try it. Give her a shot. Man, look at that beautiful weather. So again, I'd like to give an update on these tires, but it's been almost all exclusively snow. So we'll wait until things kind of dry out and get a little more of an impression. So we have an impression of, you know, dry gravel, fire roads, whatever. We have the rock crawling from Choke Cherry. Kelly Flats will be opening here within, I'd say, 3 or 4 weeks. So we have rock crawling there. We have the snow performance, which has been fantastic. I can talk about that all day long. Absolutely love these tires in the snow. But yeah, woo! What a good day. So there she be, 2018 Polaris Razor XP Turbo, 32-inch Maxxis Rampages. Those are 14-inch, 14x7 Tusk Teton beadlock wheels. Fantastic wheels. They're a pain in the ass to air down though. The air valve is well protected in the spokes there, which is a good thing and also a bad thing. Whatever. Ah, what a beautiful day. So we're gonna head down there and see what we see down there. But anyway, again, I'm Josh. This is the Bold Outdoors YouTube channel. If you like what I do, please subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.